Hello students and parents. I am Anubhav Sinhal, Director Universal Tutorials, recording this video message to give you a current status update on the course that you are enrolled with us. You are enrolled with us in 10 CBSE course. We are in the month of November. So as per our annual calendar planning, we are almost on the verge of finishing our entire annual portion. In certain subjects, we've already finished our portions, but there may be some 1 or 2 or 3, 4 days of lectures remaining in certain subjects. All of this should get over by 15th of November. So then our classes will have already started tapering out, and we are reducing our class hours, and we are finishing with our instruction classes. Then post 15th November, we are starting with our full portion mock tests. These are board styled mock exams with full portion tests. So we will be conducting a total of about 28 mock tests for a student in 5 subjects. How is it distributed? Let me explain. 6 mock tests in maths, 6 in science, 6 in social studies, making it a total of 18. 4 in English, 4 in second language Hindi, making it 26. So it was not 28, it's 26 total tests for a student. If he's taken all the 5 subjects, he'll be writing before the final board exam. How will they be spread? Starting in November, 1 test. Starting in November last week, 1 set of tests. December last week, 2nd set of tests. January, either 2 set of tests if it's math, science and social, or 1 set of tests if it's languages. February, another 2 sets if it's math, science, social, or second language, 1 set. Like this, we will be conducting mock tests. The idea is to do a lot of practice. If we write all these tests, so at UT, I can give you a guarantee, ऐसा कोई सवाल नहीं आएगा जो आपने अगर UT के सारे टेस्ट लिखे हैं बोर्ड एग्जाम में वही सवाल रिपीट होते हैं. This is UT's guarantee of last 25 years. We are masters and we know. So I want you to make sure that you're writing all the full tests. Do we provide late attempt for full tests? Yes. So जिस दिन अगर वो test है and for some reason you're not able to write the test, you are always allowed to do a late attempt. You can come at UT, write a test at a later date. We will correct it and give it back to you. So that's about portion status, about full tests, late attempt. Also, something which is happening in the month of November is an opportunity where you can meet me individually. We are giving you a 20-minute time slot, and I'm coming to all the branch locations. You will soon get a sign-up slot where you can meet me either online or offline for a director PTM. So please look out for those slots. And if you want to meet me, discuss career strategies, improvement methods, you are always invited to meet me on a one-on-one basis. This is a director PTM. Along with this, now we've finished our portions. We are conducting full tests. So what is the support that we at UT will be providing you? You would be getting a lot of support that would continue in the months of November, December, January, February, till you write the board exam. What is the support? One is you will be having MEPS, Maths Extra Practice Session, and Science Extra Practice Session. Supervised sessions will continue throughout the month of November, December, January, February. Once a week MEPS, once a week SEPS. So 2 days a week, this support where a child comes and writes or worksheets in both maths and science, that would continue till the month of February. So that's MEPS, SEPS services. Monthly doubt solving sessions where you book a slot and you meet a teacher for 15-minute online monthly doubt solving sessions. That will also continue for the remaining 4 months, November, December, January, February. Also, you can at any point of time request extra lectures. You find कि ये topic मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, दिक्कत हो रही है, you have doubts and you want an extra lecture for that, then you can take a slot on WhatsApp or on our website and let us know and we'll schedule an extra lecture for you. Plus, you could also send a message on WhatsApp doubt solving and get your doubt solved. So these 4 services, MEPS, SEPS, monthly doubt solving, extra lectures, and WhatsApp doubt solving would continue for the remaining 4 months, November, December, January, February. So very quickly summarizing, our portions are almost coming to an end. Before 15 November, we'll finish our portions. So no classes What would then happen? Only full test will happen. There are about a lot of full tests, 6 each in math, science and social, 4 each in languages. This will continue from November to February. You can do late attempt of these tests. Director PTM is coming up. You have a chance to meet me, plus these other services, MEPS, SEPS, monthly doubt solving, extra lectures, and WhatsApp doubt solving. Okay, so that's a status update. Thank you very much for listening in. Have a great day. Wish you all the best in the board exams. Bye-bye. Anubhav Sinhal signing off.